What we're doing here at the NYU Stern Urbanization Project is harnessing the growth of cities to speed up global progress.
I coined the term the Urbanization Project to suggest that this is a project that humanity is now engaged in. Before 1800, cities never made up more than 10% of the population. In 1800, this started to accelerate so that now half the people live in cities, and by 2100, maybe 75% to 80% will live in cities, and the project will be over. This is why it's a window of opportunity for us.
If the developing world is going to grow from urban population of 2.5 billion to something like 7.5 billion in the next 100 years, there's only two ways that can happen. The average city size in the developing world will have to triple, or it means we'll have to develop some entirely new cities. Those two strategies form the two major initiatives of the NYU Stern Urbanization Project. We want to encourage cities that will expand inevitably to plan for that expansion and take advantage of that process rather than be overwhelmed by it. At the same time, we want to encourage governments, societies, the world to think about the advantages that could come from starting some entirely new cities.
The decision to migrate from a village to a city is a conscious decision on someone's part to improve his or her life. Urbanization goes hand in hand with economic development. It goes hand in hand with better public health, with better education, with better opportunities for a higher quality of life.
Urbanization is this opportunity for whole societies to remake themselves. And if we shape urbanization, we can speed up progress and direct it in ways that could lead to substantially bigger improvements in the quality of life for billions of people.